Alright, here we go against the Texans. I actually spaced on the reporting schedule and am recording this last minute. It is week 17. It's my play-in against the Texans, who are actually the Vikings, but just for what is it, aesthetic, we're gonna have that little uni edit in there. Get the ball back right away. Get over to the sideline. Ike Gaines used to cough it up a lot last season. No fumbles this season, but let's not start with the jinxes just yet. We're just gonna run this down the field and get some early points inside the first minute, I hope. Lowry with a TD. Go for 2. And we're up 8 inside the first minute of the first quarter. Again, this is a play-in for my league. So we want to put up as many points as possible. I don't really pay. Oh, look at that jinx. But I did recover it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Look at that jinx, guys. That's way too far of a comeback. Way too much. 3rd and 3. Can you believe, like, I just will things into existence. Let's will some stops into existence. Oh, just pummeled. Was that Lewis who coughed it up or Gaines? Had to have been Lewis. Yeah, that's the comeback I wanted. We're going to eat some yards, couple jukes. Lewis for 8. Little bit of an underthrow there. Oh, could he go? Oh, the... Gaines punches it in. I feel like I'm under the wire here. In terms of in real life. Oh, we get another turnover. We're rolling here. Spencer picks up 11. Still just at the very start of the second quarter. I'm gonna play all my games here, but we're just doing a special video for week 17. The very, very dramatic play-ins that we all, except for the top 2 seeds, have to experience every season. Maybe I'll be there one day where I get a bye, but not this season. We're going to get a comeback. He's not going to step. Or he is. Gain steps out of bounds there. I'm going to hit Lewis with the screen. Hug the sideline. And dive in for another 6. We're going to go for 2. Teddy Gage. Old reliable. He's been with the team for a while. Him and Gaines. Lewis is new. Picked him up. He's got some speed on him. Up 14 at the half. Almost threw a pick. Lewis comes away with it. Picks up 16 yards. We're inside the 50. Oh my god. Didn't want to do that. Come on, guys. I say guys, but it's all me. That was almost a pick again. I gotta slow down. Should have played these games last night. Did not. It's my own fault. Up 7 in the 3rd quarter. We're gonna hug the sideline there. Lots of screens, but they eat up a lot of yards. Almost as good as going over the top. Jukes a defender, gets it down to about the 10-yard line. Seven yards for Lowry, the tight end. and I'm able to run it in. A little bit of a shovel there, and get the 2. Up 15, late in the third quarter. Come on, let's get a stop, guys. And a miss. Nice. Late in the fourth, we're flying through. We're flying through. Oof. Oh, accidental QB sneak there by Cutter. And we're just gonna get out of bounds. I want to get a stop and get the ball back. Oh, one more time. Come on, guys. No more drops. Oh, he steps through a bunch. Gaines picking up 26 yards on what should have gone to the tight end there. Whoever catches it, catches it. And I'm just going to punch it in there. 6-yard touchdown. 6 points. Let's make it 8. Nice. Gauge. And I got what I wanted, but can I get points out of it? We have it. Pretty good field position. I wanted 30. Spoke to one of my cab rods. Oh my god. Can't even talk. One of my comrades before the game. I want 30. I want 30 every game this next stretch. I have a goal set in mind for myself of where I want to be end of season. Down to 30 seconds. And again, this could be 37, but I gave the ball away with a pick. Trying to just play through quickly here. Nice. Gains for 6. Engage for the 2-point conversion. That's going to be game over. And we're going to put up 31 points on my end of the matchup with the Texans. And hopefully that'll be enough for that head-to-head. We're going to praise Ike Gaines, who played great. And as always, thanks for watching. Novi out.